Hey, welcome back, Gary Forging On. Got some stuff to unwrap in the mail. Now, I got these were sent to me by a company that does lighting, which, you know, most of my stuff's here in the shop. So these are actually supposed to be lighting for under cabinets, but I need lighting under here on my shop counter, because all my lights are back that way, and when I'm over top of my counter, it gets shadowed by my body. So they asked me if I would do an unboxing and review of these lights, and that's what I'm here to do. So let's unbox these and see what's in them. Okay, so just to let you know, they approached me about doing a review on these. I haven't paid for these, they've sent them to me. But I told them I was only going to give an honest review. I'm not going to make stuff up just to give free stuff. So there's one. That's pretty simple. Let's see what's in this one. I thought they were just sending me one light. Maybe they sent me more than one. Seems like they could have put those in. One box would easily help both of those. Oh well. More cardboard to recycle. So what do we have here? Looks like they're the same model number, so I'm guessing they're the, well, it's the same light. Now, I'm probably not saying this right, but the name of the company is ASOKO. I'll put it in here. I don't know if that's ASOKO, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. And made in China. They're a Mono Pro Go1A2. I'll put links to these down below in case you're interested. What it says is they're dimmable, they're magnetic, that'd be interesting. They have motion sensor, I like that too. The USB-C rechargeable. And they're tricolor white, or white. So apparently you have to recharge them. Oh, I got 2 in each box. Well, I'll be putting some of these in the house, and we'll see how they work out. Oh, I gotta watch a video on how to set it up. I don't know if you can read that or not. Anyway. Here's some metal tabs and small screws. I guess you mount that up under something, which we'll try that. I'm only going to do one of these right now just to try it out. Wonder if it has any charge to it. It says a single light color, quick press 3-level dim, hold press is stepless dim. I'll add some stuff to it once I watch their video about it. But so. I don't know if I need a charger if it comes with some lights, so I may have to charge it first. Oh, it would help if I turned it on. Okay, they have a 3-level switch. The center is off, the reason it won't come on. To the left is auto, and to the right is on. So if I turn it on, whoa, there we go. I'm holding the button in and it's dimming. If that's coming across or not. I'll do it, hitting it off and on. I guess that's high, medium, low, and if you just hold it, you can pick whatever you want. That's cool. I don't know what auto does, but I guess auto, it probably looks at how dark it is. Like I said, I haven't read anything. So if I want to mount this up under this French cleat shelf, so there's little magnet spots here to be right on the end. So let me take a couple of these. And it looks like there's an adhesive on the back too. So it's got a recess in there to show the light, to make it flush when it mounts. Well, I'm just going to screw these two things in. Well, for some reason, my 20-year-old DeWalt cordless drill batteries are dead. Go figure. But good thing I'm old and grew up using hand tools. All right. I need to twist them out. So oh, there we go. I think you really want to get them right where these little magnet symbols are. They hold a lot better. So. Looks pretty good. It's up quite a bit light. I like that. Maybe I'll turn off the lights in the shop here and see how it goes. That's high. Wow, that's pretty bright. That looks pretty good. Let me back you up so you can kind of see from a distance. So, that's pretty good. Like I said, if I had cabinets that came out further, that would be the perfect spot for it. And I could just work right underneath it. That'd work really well. Well, I'm impressed with them. Real simple to use. And simple is always good. And you can just take it with you. How's that? That's cool. Dim it down. It's bright. Okay. Alright, I'm just playing around now. I'm impressed. We'll turn the light on. Ooh, I thought of another use. Let's see. Okay, you have to excuse my messy shop. That's cool. Now, if these were metal shelves up in here, I could hook them up under here, but those are not metal. But if I could, or maybe I could, put it up like that so you can see better. So I could see up in there. That'd be handy. And has a motion sensor, which I'm going to switch it to auto, and it's on dim, but it'll go off. I have it mounted under there. And I'm going to go turn the lights off. And as I walk up, you should see them come on as it catches my motion. And my motion set it off. I think it takes maybe a minute. I'm not sure how long. Because I walked over, it didn't kick on. I walked away, and then as I walked over again, it kicked on. So I think there's probably just a time for it to kind of reset itself. Not sure. You just take them off, go charge them, put them somewhere. Since they're magnetic and they hook to anything metal, probably not, meant for that, but you could probably hook them under your car while you're working on it. But I don't think it's real strong, so it probably wouldn't take much for it to knock loose. Yeah, I'm impressed with them. Like I said, they just sent them to me, and I told them I'd give them an honest review. My honest review is, I like them, and I think I'd recommend these, and I'm going to use them more, and I hopefully will get a setup where I can use these in my down in my basement where I've got my 3D printer. So anyway, I'll leave links to it below. I'll leave a link to their website, and you can check them out. And I'll also go through and maybe do another video later on when I'm using them in the house somewhere. Hopefully you enjoyed that. And y'all have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you later. And check back. Like I said, I have stuff going to be coming out hopefully more often now that things are settling down around the house. And I can get some more videos going. So hope you stick around. Y'all have a blessed one. Bye-bye now.